Imagine you are a soldier. You have just traveled miles across the dangerous ocean. You land on a strange beach. You are tired. You are outnumbered. You look back at your ships. Your only ride home. Your only escape if things go wrong. Suddenly, you see smoke, then flames. Your commander isn't checking the ships. He is destroying them. He is burning the only way home. Why? This is the story of Tariq ibn Ziyad, the man who taught the world that victory comes only when you stop looking for an escape. The year is 711. The place is the strait between Africa and Europe. Today, we call this place Gibraltar. Did you know Gibraltar actually comes from Arabic? It means Jabal Tariq, the mountain of Tariq, named after the hero of this story. Tariq ibn Ziyad led a small army of about 7,000 men. They crossed the sea to free the people of Spain from a tyrant king named Roderic. But when they landed on the beach, the reality hit them. Spies turned with bad news. King Roderic was coming with an army of 100,000 soldiers. They had better armor, better weapons, and they knew the land. Tariq's men were brave, but they were human. Whispers started in the camp. Some soldiers looked back at the ship. They thought, if we lose, we can run back to the boats and escape. Tariq knew what his men were thinking. He knew that if his soldiers had a plan B, they would not fight with all their hearts. If they thought, they would run away. So Tariq made the craziest decision in military history. While his army slept or prepared for battle, Tariq gave the order, burn the ships. Imagine the scene, giant wooden vessels catching fire, the orange glow lighting up the dark sky. The soldiers ran to the water, shocked. They shouted, "Madness! How will we return? How will we see our families again?" The ships sank into the ocean. The path home was gone. There was no going back. Tariq stood before his terrified men. He didn't offer them comfort. He offered them the truth. He delivered a speech that history has never forgotten. He pointed the ocean behind them. Then he pointed to the enemy in front of them. He said, "O people, where is the escape? The sea is behind you and the enemy is in front of you." He told them, "By Allah, there is no salvation for you now, except in your courage and your patience." The message was clear. There is no retreat. We win or we die here. Suddenly, the fear vanished. It was replaced by a laser-sharp focus. They stopped worrying about dying and started focusing on winning. When they meet King Roderic's army of 100,000, Tariq's men fought like lions. They didn't fight to survive. They fight to conquer, and against all odds, they won. Because of that victory, Spain became a land of science, art, and light for hundreds of years. All because one leader has the vision to remove the easy way out. This brings us to today's foresight takeaway. Sometimes in life we fail because we are too safe. We keep one foot out the door. Tariq teaches us that true power comes when you fully commit. If you want to take the land, sometimes you have to burn the boats. If you enjoyed this story, hit the like button and subscribe to Islamic Foresight. Which story should we tell next? Let us know in the comments. May Allah bless us all. Thank you so much.